Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Peebo. You've heard me say several times that I intend to add another horse to the stable, but before I add that horse to the stable, there's one thing that I wanted to do, and that was to replace my 2002 GMC Yukon XL, and so I finally done that. So in my next video, I'm gonna give you a list of some of the top 5 motorcycles that I am considering to add to the stable. I will not replace Ruby. Ruby will continue to be my long range motorcycle. But the motorcycle that I want to use to replace Ruby is going to be one that I can ride in and around town. And if I want to go on an overnight stay somewhere, it's probably going to be a short stay, no more than 2, maybe 3 days. So the bike will also have to be capable of doing some touring.
On my stains every wrong. Now I stand clean in a place I don't belong. But I do. Robe and crown, he laid it down on me. From the lost and found the royalty. Hey. I was on the ground, now I'm on my feet. Robe and crown is his, but he shares that seat. Robe and crown, I wear his victory. Yo. Praise pouring out like a melody. I was on the ground, now I'm finally free. Robe and crown, all grace for me on.
So my intent is to use the motorcycle for rides around town or maybe some short distance touring. To me, short distance touring would be when I don't have to fill the motorcycle up more than 2 times. But before I show you guys what I got to replace my 2002 Yukon XL, I just want to give you guys a walk around of my 2002 Yukon XL. This is my 2002 Yukon XL. I bought this Yukon XL back in 2003. I bought it brand new. What new to me, because it was a program car that had about 2,500 miles on it when I got it. At the time that I replaced it with my other vehicle that I'm going to show you soon, this 2002 Yukon XL has almost 500,000 miles on it. It's an SLT, but the SLT sign, it's an SLT, but the SLT sign fell off. So I am replacing this 2002 Yukon XL with another GMC, but I just want you all to know that this 2002 Yukon XL, so I've taken this Yukon all over the country. But now, it's time for me to replace her, and she's gonna have a new home. I'm going to take her to Memphis, Tennessee, and drop her off with my dad. My dad is in his 80s, and I think he just wants another vehicle to have in the driveway just in case he wants to go somewhere. My little brother will be there to drive him around, but this is it. My 2002 Yukon XL that I purchased in 2023. Let me show you guys what I replaced it with. Here it is right here. I want y'all to forgive the fact that it's as dirty as it is. I just came back from Panama City, Florida, dropping off Ruby to Davidson Audio to get that upgrade done. Here we go. This is a 2026 GMC Sierra 1500 with the 3.0 Duramax turbo diesel. After watching so many videos on YouTube, I decided to go with this Sierra. I was kind of hesitant to go with a diesel engine, but I did a little research and determined that they made so many advances and upgrades to the diesel engine that I believe the diesel engine is probably better than the gas engine. As y'all know, the Yukon XL 2002, I got about 500,000 miles out of the Yukon XL. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this truck that long to put 500,000 miles on it, but I do plan to put some miles on this Sierra 1500. Shout out to Traveling Tall, who has that Chevrolet Silverado High Country. His review of that High Country served as a lot of inspiration for me to go ahead on and go with this 1500 Sierra. I favor GMC over Chevrolet, even though they're both made by GMC. Here we go. The next order of business is to get this thing cleaned up and get all the bugs off of it. Who knew that you would get so many bugs even in the cold weather? But this is it, everybody. 2026 GMC Sierra Denali